Today's world is full of uncertainties. As a result, financial literacy is not a luxury but a necessity. Whether you are a student, a young professional, an entrepreneur, a homemaker, or someone nearing your retirement, understanding how to manage your finances is crucial for achieving financial stability and independence. Namaskar. I, Dr. Vandana Sonkar, working as Assistant Professor at Faculty of Commerce, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, UP, is pleased to introduce you to this indispensable 12-week online course of 3 credits Financial Literacy. Many people dream of financial freedom, but few truly knows how to achieve it. Financial freedom does not come from earning more, but from learning how to spend wisely, invest intelligently, and plan strategically. This course is designed to give you all the tools and knowledge to take control of your finances and start building a secure and sustainable financial future. Therefore, I will begin this course by laying the foundation with the fundamentals of financial planning, budgeting, and understanding the significance of financial literacy. This will help you to set SMART goals. That means specific, measurable, achievable, reliable, and time-bound financial objectives. This will help you to achieve financial well-being. Moving forward, we will dive into the key concept of personal finance such as saving, investments, borrowing, time value of money, and managing your income and expenses by applying the principles of delayed gratification to make more informed financial decisions. Next, in this course, we will be going to focus on banking system, the various aspects of banks, as well as the cyber securities measures to protect you from online frauds and scams. Further, to fulfill the goal of helping you to understand how to manage wisely your borrowings, I'll cover the topics of different types of loan and some topics such as microfinance, mortgage, and pledging of assets. Another critical focus area of this course will be investments and retirement planning to prepare you for the long term, where we will be going to discuss about the various aspects of securities market sentiments including bull and bear markets, and the various aspects of psychologies of investing. We will also equip you with the essential knowledge of taxation and will help you to understand the procedure to file income tax return as well as to use the various tax saving schemes such as PPF, LICs, NSC, and post office saving. This will help you to understand the difference between the short-term and long-term financial objectives and the procedure to achieve these objectives in your real life. So, over 12 weeks and 60 lectures, this course will help you to build a strong foundational knowledge of the financial concepts and give you practical skills to manage your finances more confidently. You will be equipped to avoid costly mistakes in the financial planning and become better at handling your finances, and also be able to help others in your family as well as in your community to do the same. That is the real power of financial literacy. So, I invite you all to get registration in this course and take these vital steps toward becoming financial independent. Thank you.